How to fix Safari not loading web pages. First, you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. And if your internet is stable and it's still not opening, you have to make sure that your iPhone is up to date. Sometimes a bug causes the problem. So to check that, open up your settings, click on where it says General over here, click on the option Software Update. And if there's an update available, just update your phone from here. By doing that, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is make sure the website you're trying to open is not banned in your country. If it is banned in your country, then of course the website is not going to open up. The next thing, as I said, is just open up your settings, scroll all the way down and click on Apps. From here, you want to find Safari and click on it. From inside here, just scroll down and click in Clear History and Website Data and choose All History over here and choose Clear History at the bottom. By doing that, it should reset your browser, and once you open, the web page should open up. And yeah, also make sure the website you're trying to open, you have not blocked it. If you have blocked it, it's not going to open up. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.